how to fix weird pauses and timings in ElevenLabs. A lot of people struggle to do it, and in this video, I'll show you ways how to fix it. So what you need to do is head over to this text-to-speech tool in ElevenLabs, and here paste your transcript. So a lot of people just paste their transcript and they generate the voiceover, but this is not the correct way. When you have your transcript, you need to go to any AI. You can use ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT to make a polished version of your script. They add proper narrations. So in this way, ElevenLabs will know where to pause or where to build the flow. For example, here it has mentioned that this is the hook, and this is where it will pause for a bit, and this is where to continue. So that will add a very good narration to your current script. Not only that, here are some settings that you can also fix that will really help you to build a good voiceover workflow and fix these weird pauses in ElevenLabs. So personally, the setting that I found most compatible is reducing this to 0.90 and keeping the style exaggeration up to 45, just like that. And you can keep this to 60, like this. And the stability should be more than 60%. It could be 70, it could be 80, whatever suits your transcript. So these are all the ways you can fix weird pauses and timings in ElevenLabs. Make sure you use your script with proper narrations, and that's how you can go and do it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.